I was not sick. I was just late for work because of the storm.
Well, what happened?
I wasn't sick. I was just late for this. I was this late for work because the storm happened.
Oh, is that why your hair is crazy?
Yeah. So we're gonna do this news together.
Yay!
Yeah.
It's been 3 days.
And it's got worse.
I didn't think that was that possible.
Now we're sending you to the hottest store with Barrett.
Yeah.
You know, there's a big storm. People are going around. It's getting worse, everybody. But don't go outside today till it's so windy. And it's almost gonna rain.
It was so crazy out there, I almost blew my pants off.
Now there's a tornado! Are you okay? Don't go outside.